Welcome to Lesson 6 of Tarot for Beginners. If you're using the workbook, we're on the final section. Feel free to pause here and download it from the description. By the end of Lesson 6, you'll know how to bring everything together. Setting your space, choosing spreads, trusting intuition, and building a personal tarot practice. We've arrived at the final lesson, and this is where everything starts to knit together. Before we talk about building your personal tarot practice, let's take a moment to revisit what you've learned so far, because every step has prepared you for this one. In Lesson 1, you discovered tarot as a tool for clarity and intuition, and you learned how the cards act as mirrors for your inner world. In Lesson 2, you traveled through the major arcana, understanding the 3 stages of the journey: beginnings, growth, and awareness, and how each stage reflects your own cycles of change. Lesson 3 brought the minor arcana into focus. You learned how the 4 suits anchor everyday experiences and how the numbers tell a repeating story from beginnings to completion. In Lesson 4, you learned how to set the scene, creating an environment, a mindset, and a rhythm that helps you read with clarity instead of noise. And in Lesson 5, you explored how to interpret spreads, how to look at the story each card is telling, and how meaning shifts when cards sit beside each other. All of these pieces now come together here in Lesson 6. Turning your tarot knowledge into a personal practice that feels steady, intuitive, and genuinely useful in your life. Starting your tarot journey can feel overwhelming, but with a few simple tips, you'll be reading the cards with confidence in no time. Find a quiet spot where you can focus and connect with your cards. Light a candle, use some incense, or play calming music to set the mood. Start with small spreads, like a 1-card daily draw or a 3-card spread. These simple practices build your confidence and help you connect with the cards. While card meanings are important, let your intuition guide you. Tarot is a blend of knowledge and personal insight. Each reading is unique to you. Keeping a tarot journal helps you reflect on your readings and spot patterns over time. Jot down your daily draws, insights, and even your questions. It's a powerful tool for growth and understanding. Each card has ties to astrological signs and planets, adding another layer of depth to your readings. Aligning your interpretations with these elements can enhance your understanding of the cards. That's where our digital guide comes in. It's packed with tips, card meanings, spreads, and even astrological correspondences. Plus, it links directly to this video for quick and easy support. Download the guide today and have all these tools at your fingertips. Tarot is a journey, so take your time and embrace the learning process. Every reading is an opportunity to connect with your inner wisdom. Trust in your path, and most importantly, enjoy the magic and discovery that tarot brings. You'll find the link to the guide in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tarot tips and spiritual content. Before we go, let's draw a card for you. Today's card is the Wheel of Fortune, a powerful reminder that life is full of cycles and opportunities. When the wheel turns in your favor, embrace the changes and trust the process. It's a sign that positive shifts are on the horizon. Carry this energy with you as you move forward.